Let's go to demo. And when I can choose between create, explore, library, or chat. Let's go for create. I'll have to point this to a surface.
Please choose from the following segments or use the microphone to provide a topic of your choice.
So let's go for education, health and science, allied health science, and then medical procedures.
You've selected the topic medical procedures and techniques from the education segment. Do you want to learn about the main components or a procedure of the chosen topic?
Let's go for main components.
Medical procedures and techniques are methods used to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases and medical conditions. One fun fact about medical procedures and techniques in allied health sciences is that acupuncture, a traditional Chinese medicine practice, has been found to stimulate the release of endorphins, which are natural painkillers produced by the body. Here is a video related to medical procedures and techniques.
And I'll place it on the floor. You can see the avatar is moving away to leave space for the hospital. I'll get it at scale and I can scale it up. So here is my hospital. Let's make it bigger.
This is a quick demonstration for the procedure of medical procedures and techniques. Prescribe appropriate medication based on the diagnosis. Step 3. Administer immunization if necessary for preventive measures. Ask me anything anytime by tapping the microphone button.
Let's see what I want to do. I can add objects, I can have voice annotation, I can do 3D recording, add interactions. Let's add an object. Ventilator. And there's many ventilators. I'll select one of those. Let's switch the persona, because I want the specialist now for ventilators. Let's use a university professor. And now he can create assessment for us also.
What, the ventilator?
I think it's a machine that can help people breathe. That was right. And I want to create my own instructions by recording. Yes, good afternoon. Today we're going to learn about this ventilator, so its parts, how the cabling works, but also we will learn about a standard operation procedure for maintenance of this by looking at the various parts. Now, keep in mind that I am in this virtual environment, but it's a bit interesting because at the same time, you can see I look outside the window and I am in the physical environment. And likewise, if I'm looking at that environment behind the door, you can see that that is my physical environment. At any time, if I start to doubt my reality, all I have to do is to shrink this environment and now unveil the physical experience. And this lesson will be created. I will save and exit.
Welcome to Laguna Beach, a coastal city in Orange County, California.
This is a home office setup. The desk is made of wood and is cluttered with various items such as a coffee cup, headphones, and a microphone. There is a large window that has a view of the hills and the ocean. The window has bamboo blinds that are partially drawn. There is an exercise bike in the room. The room is brightly lit with natural light from the window. The bookshelf has 3 shelves and is built into the wall. The top left shelf has a yellow book, a picture frame, and a skull of an animal. The middle shelf has a book, a picture frame, and a small statue. The bottom shelf has a dark blue book with a yellow car model on top of it. The printer is black and appears to be a newer model. The right wooden bookshelf upper shelf has a vase, a book titled Churches. There is a large abstract painting hanging on the wall above the couch. The home office radiates the essence of a creative professional evident from the Mac Pro and microphone. The eclectic mix on the bookshelves, from sculptures to varied books, suggests an individual with a rich tapestry of experiences, possibly well-traveled and cultured. The exercise bike speaks to a commitment to health, while the prominent world map indicates a global perspective or wanderlust. With a blend of personal touches and functional items, this room seems to be the sanctuary of someone who intertwines their work with their diverse personal interests.
Okay, so that was pretty cool, right? But we have just scratched our surface. What we did in a short demo, we used the EON AI assistant, and we were able to create and use the guided experience through education. We selected medical. Then we selected show and tell. We didn't do different languages, but we did knowledge portals. You saw text, voice, image, video. We did multiple objects. We didn't do a 360. We did a very simple assessment followed by a character composer where you could choose different characters, action commands. We didn't do interact and virtual stories. When it comes to explore, we have also scratched the surface there with respect to recognizing items and injecting knowledge in your physical world. Next time, if we have time, we're going to go through this vast library of millions of extended reality assets, but that would take us a while. So that requires a deep dive. Likewise with the chat, likewise with the capability to decide and to train it on your own data. So that's next time.